With the increased diesel prices, an auto driver from Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Shiva, bought Mahindra Treo electric auto. Earlier, he used to spend around 300 to 400 rupees on his diesel auto. He thought of selling his diesel auto after using it for more than 10 years. In 2019, he sold his diesel auto and bought Mahindra Treo for 2.85 lakh rupees in finance. Coming to Mahindra Treo electric auto specs, top speed of 55 km/h, range of 130 km, battery capacity of 7.37 kWh, charge time of 3 hours 50 minutes, motor peak power of 8 kilowatts, curb weight of 377 kilograms, and a warranty of 3 years or 80,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. After using this auto for 1 month, Mr. Shiva got 900 rupees power bill. It is cheaper compared with a diesel auto. For just 20 rupees, he is able to drive for 100 kilometers. Charging for 2 times, it costs just 40 rupees for a 200 kilometer travel. For the same amount of kilometers, he need to pay 400 to 500 rupees for diesel. So, he is saving 400 rupees roughly on electric auto. On the other side, Mr. Shiva also shared some problems with this electric auto. After using for 4 months, the auto's charger stops working. In his 1.5 year journey, 2 chargers got damaged, but replaced for free of cost as a part of 3 years warranty. However, Mr. Shiva is worried for the future. After 3 years, there will be no warranty. If charger damage again, he need to spend 15,000 rupees from his pocket. And also, if there is a problem with brake oil leakage, the entire part need to be replaced, which cost around 25,000 rupees. He clearly said that if we maintain electric autos properly, they can perform better than CNG and diesel autos. He even climbed Mangalagiri hills with 5 passengers on his electric auto. Inside the auto, there is an instrument cluster which shows range, speed, odometer and battery percentage. This auto doesn't comes with any gears. All you have is an accelerator to operate the speed. Even the passengers expressed happiness traveling on electric autos because of its silent and pollution-free ride. So far, Mr. Shiva traveled for 40,000 kilometers on Mahindra Treo. He is suggesting auto drivers to go for electric for savings. But on the other side, he also requesting electric 3-wheeler companies to give assurance for auto owners after the warranty period. This video is actually shooted in Telugu, but for information purpose, we made it with English voiceover. If you need this full video with subtitles, please comment. If we get at least 500 comments, we'll upload full video with English subtitles. Go green, go electric.